Hello students, today we are going to discuss about short sums and the formula which is going to be used for your short sums for the chapter linear regression. Earlier we have already seen the formula of covariance xy, which is also called as Sxy. The formula of Sxy is equal to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n. The second formula of same covariance xy, which is Sxy, that is sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n. Now, by using such formula of sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n, at the same time by using covariance xy, we are having second short formula to find out coefficient of linear regression, that is byx is equal to, you may write only b, is equal to covariance xy upon sx square. Earlier, we were finding out by using formula covariance xy upon sx into sy. But here, the formula is little changed. B is equal to covariance xy upon sx square. That means square of standard deviation of x. Now, instead of covariance xy, we are going to place sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n. That means sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n. See, this sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n, what is that? That is your covariance xy. So, this covariance xy will be replaced by this formula. So, the formula would be B is equal to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n into sx square. Same way, this formula is also going to be replaced for your covariance xy. That is B is equal to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n into sx square. Once again, this sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n, that is your covariance xy. Now, the formula to find out sx square, that is sigma x minus x bar the whole square upon n. Here, if it is sx, that means standard deviation of x, it will be under root. Under root sigma x minus x bar the whole square upon n. But as if this is variance, that's why the root is going to be removed. The second formula to find out byx, that is coefficient of regression line of y on x, that is r into sy upon sx. R is correlation coefficient. Remember properly. R into sy upon sx, standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. If they have given the information sigma x minus x bar the whole square, then you have to use to find out sx, you have to use under root sigma x minus x bar the whole square upon n. Same way, sy is equal to under root sigma y minus y bar the whole square upon n. The most important format, that is BVU, as if we were using UV method, and in that UV method, U means x and V means y. The same way, byx, suppose if you want to find out byx, and as if BVU is given, then the formula is byx is equal to BVU into cy by cx. Now, to find out BVU is equal to byx into cx upon cy. This is nothing else but cx that has been transferred to multiplication of byx and cy that goes to denominator. So, BVU is equal to byx into cx upon cy. Now friends, the formula comes A, constant value A. It has already been discussed earlier, that is A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. And after finding out B and A, you have to place it in your regression equation of y on x. The regression equation would be y cap is equal to A plus bx.